morning. We bring to you a special coffee from Colombia today, Yellow Rume Sudan from Jardines del Eden. We're going to discuss the variety, the farm this is produced on, and some of the taste notes that we get with this coffee. Rume Sudan, also called Sudan Rume, is a variety that comes from the Boma Plateau in South Sudan. This area and the neighboring southwest Ethiopia is where coffee is native to. Plants from the Boma Plateau were collected in 1942 and brought to British colonies in East Africa, and in 1955 were brought to the Americas by USDA. Eventually, these plants made their way to Colombia, and in the last 20 years, coffee growers have began to experiment with some of these wild varieties, which typically in the past were not grown because production was very low, but they were used in breeding programs to bring disease resistance to commercial cultivars. This variety, as it is quite rare. It became well known in the coffee industry in 2015 when it was used to win the World Barista Championship. And since then, more farmers have begun to grow it, and selections have been made from this original plant. Eventually, plants were found that had a mutation of yellow fruit rather than red fruit, which the Rume Sudan variety usually has. And Jardines del Eden did find a plant like this and has grown that at their farm. Jardines del Eden is a project of the Arcilo brothers, who also started the exporter called CoffeeNet, and they grow many unusual varieties on their farm. This yellow Rume Sudan is one of them. They also have yellow and pink geishas, Larina, and many other uncommon varieties. So we're very excited to be able to offer this very, very unique coffee variety. Selected this coffee for our Rare Coffee Store subscription. We try and find the most unique, most distinctive coffees from around the world, whether that be location, variety, advanced processing methods, and this coffee was definitely the first time we've ever seen a yellow Rume Sudan offered to us, and we're happy to share that with not only our subscribers, but we have a few pounds left over to offer online if you're looking to purchase it now.